Well, a group of nonprofit and health organizations are shining a spotlight on the Black maternal health crisis here in America. And tonight they'll be hosting a screening of the award-winning documentary called Aftershock, which tackles this difficult subject. Joining us now is Cassandra Glover to tell us a bit more about that. Thanks so much for joining us.
Yeah, thank you for having me today.
All right, so just for people who don't know, I've actually seen this documentary because it is on Hulu. What is Aftershock about?
So it's a documentary that follows two families who are grappling with the impact of the maternal mortality crisis on women in their family, and it shows them how they deal with it and how they try to advocate for changes so that other women don't have to experience this.
Yeah, and so where does Arkansas fall when it comes to maternal mortality? And maternal mortality is when you die after giving birth, right?
Yes,
yeah.
So unfortunately Arkansas's rate of maternal mortality is 15% higher than the national average. Wow. And this really impacts women of color. So Black women in Arkansas are 2 times more likely to die of pregnancy-related causes than white women.
Wow.
So it's definitely high, especially for certain communities.
Yeah. So why did you guys feel the need to want to show this documentary?
We know that the maternal mortality crisis is something not only taking place in Arkansas, but nationwide. And we know that changes need to be made in order to help prevent this from happening to families and loved ones.
Yeah, definitely. So I know the film, that their tagline says, like, when a Black mother dies, there's a ripple effect. Can you just kind of talk about how that does happen?
I think, just like when anyone dies, but especially a Black mother, it's not only the child that's left behind, but the family, her own community. And it's just, again, it impacts so many people, their loved ones around them. And so it's, again, something that we are trying to target in Arkansas to make changes.
Yeah, so tonight there will be the film screening. So where is that at, and how is it all going?
It's actually going to be at Philander. Okay. But unfortunately, right now, our registration is closed. We're at capacity. Okay. But again, like you stated, the documentary is on Hulu. And also, if individuals in Arkansas want to get more involved regarding this cause, they can go to our website, aradvocates.org, and they can follow some of the work we're doing. I also encourage Arkansans to follow what's going on in the legislature right now. Currently, there are some bills to help promote the health of mothers and infants in Arkansas. Okay. So I would definitely encourage people just to follow what's going on.
Okay, perfect. All right, well, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
All right, thank you. We'll be right back.